Oh my gosh! What the heck? Where am I? I'm chained to a chair! No! Ah!
It seems after 25 hours you're finally awake. So glad this actually worked out. We're gonna finally get what we wanted. And we need your help. So you're gonna stay here in this separate universe. And it's so confusing for you, but for us, we're gonna finally get it. Final. You stay put. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna figure this out. How we're gonna actually do this.
Dang it! Oh, gotta get out of here. There has to be a way to get out of these handcuffs. Yes. Screwdriver. Almost. Almost. Rich. Please work. Yes. 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 Yes.
Yeah. It's no use. I've been trying this all day and I still can't get this thing open. You know what? I think it would be better if I just looked up how to get in there. I'm sure there's more than one way into the sewer system. There it is. Alright, so it says to get in through the drainage pipe. I can do that. There's one out back.
What the heck? Why are there so many Nerf guns here? Might as well take some. I love these back on my Earth.
You actually think you can get past me? You really don't know anything. Such a shame.
I'm not scared of you, bro. You just have a stinking Nerf gun. Oh my gosh. I'm not afraid of you.
I would like to keep you like this, but we need you.
I'm healed! How is that possible? I'm healed!
Shoot, I shouldn't have waited until dark. Now I can't find the drain pipe.
Ah! Please, please don't hurt to me, please. I'm trying to help you. Trying to help you. Come here. Look at this thing. Look at this. Wow. What do you think? Isn't it magnificent?
I don't know. It's just an ordinary sewer.
Oh, no. This thing is an interdimensional portal between worlds.
What?
Yes, this one here leads to a world just like this one. But it's only... there's no one there. There's really nothing.
Huh.
It's exactly the same. So, what are you doing out here?
Well, my friend, originally this thing wasn't here. It was a hole, and my friend fell into it.
Oh, no, that's bad. That's bad.
What?
It's gonna work. Their plan's gonna work.
Oh, well,
No,
who?
The alien.
What?
Yeah, they say there's more than one, but there's really just one. I'll
Really?
tell you that. Just one. All right. So this thing is bad. I'm trying to figure this out, but I can't. You know what you need to do? You need to figure out how to get there.
I was trying, and I can't. I heard that something about drain pipes.
Well, that's just sewer related. This thing here has to open for you to get there.
Okay.
But the problem is...
I tried all of yesterday and today trying to get this thing open, and I can't.
Well, there's no way to get it open. And there's a bigger problem. Once you're in that world, you can't come back.
What?
There's nothing here. I mean, it is here, but there's no way to open it.
Ooh.
But if their plan works, there is a way to do it. I'll
Really?
tell you, yes, there is a way, but you don't want that plan. You do.
Okay.
What I suggest is you look up into this, look up interdimensional portals, and try to figure this out. I've got some knowledge, so I can help you out too.
All right.
I'll be here. So if you need anything, come back here, and
will.
I'll be here.
I will.
I want to get this thing open too. It's got some secrets, okay?
All right.
All right.
What is in there that interests you?
Oh, it's a whole new world. Everybody wants to see a new world.
Well, I would agree with that.
All right, I'm gonna get out of here.
All right, me too. You go one way, I'll go another.
Oh, come on, not again! This alien knows my weakness. I can't lift weights. I believe I can do this. Okay. I got it. If these guns are real, then maybe I can just shoot the handcuff off. Yes. I just gotta get this one off. Wait. Oh, I'm out of ammo. You know what? Maybe I should kill that alien. Well, I don't know. Yeah, I definitely should. Oh, shoot! These are all empty! I guess this is all I have left. One-shot pistol. I better make this count. I'm gonna kill that alien scum.